Hey guys, it's your girl Clara and welcome back to my channel. So we have a new video for today. In this video we are going to review Lucky Beauty's newest collection. So I have some of their products up here. So if you want to if you want to watch this review, just keep on watching. So Lucky Beauty is their new collection, which is the Angel Skin collection, and they relaunched their serum concealer, which I like, and of course their own powder foundation. And right now, Lucky Beauty launched their newest launch addition for their makeup brand, which is the Angel Skin Veil, and of course kasama rin doon yung kanyang puff. So, let's see. Ganito yung packaging niya. It's very, parang may, tikte, nag-leak siya. Totoo nga yung sinasabi sa reviews. Lucky Beauty, packaging pa lang. So, this in the shade Vanilla is, kumalat siya. Sayang yung product. Ayun, nag-leak siya, guys. Oh my God, nag-leak siya. Sana nag-pump na lang, hindi yung ganitong nozzle kasi sobrang nag-leak yung product. Ang bago-bago, tapos ganito. Parang ganun. So, let's use I'm going to use two different brushes for this. So, I'm going to use the foundation brush dun sa Vice Cosmetics and Real Techniques here. Let's see kung maganda yung consistency ng product. Konti lang ninagay ko kasi sobrang nag-leak siya. Okay. This skin tint is easy to blend. I super duper love it. It's so easy to blend. And look at my skin. This gives me glass skin. Let's try in the other side. So, gawin ko. Dito ako mag-ano sa brush kasi madali siyang i-blend sa brush. Okay. This is cool. I love this skin tint and this is so nice. I'll try ko sa konti sa kamay. So pretty good. I prefer using this brush all over while I'm using this skin tint kasi it blends very well. I like the consistency with this. My final thoughts with this product, Lucky Beauty, you always nailed when you launch a new collection because there is a story to tell and it understands pretty well. This skin tint is a good product. It blends pretty well and it is good on my skin. However, this is the problem. Whenever I open the product, kakalat siya. So, ikaw kung very clean or minimalist ka, you will like the concept of the packaging because that represents the brand. However, hindi kayo aminin nyo, Lucky Beauty, hindi kayo nag-test ng nozzle test. Kasi ganito yung nangyari, nag-leak siya after opening the product. This is the first time I used the product. However, ganito yung lumabas, nag-leak siya. I've heard this reviews on social media. Also, I got the same experience. I love the coverage of this skin tint. It gives me medium to full coverage with this one. It gives me an angelic vibes with this skin tint. By the way, for those who are asking what's my shade, Angel Skin Veil, my shade is Vanilla. Tapos maganda siya pag hinaluan siya ng serum concealer. You know, eto na sasabihin ko, I have their serum concealer before and I super duper love it. I super duper love the serum concealer. Kaya lang naubos na siya because it's one of my favorite concealer for this. When I discovered it for this year. And look at that. I used two brushes para malaman yung pag-blend yung product. It works with these two base brushes. And I love the consistency. However, Lucky Beauty, please improve your packaging with this one. I like how it looks. But the problem is this one is madali siyang kumalat nagkakalat siya Talaga, nagli-leak talaga siya. Talaga siya, and may possibility. So, maano siya sa bag pag hindi nasara ng maayos. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. I love you all, and bye! See you on my next video.